Hi, hello, sir. This is the fatigue detection techniques. So, as you mentioned, I done the eye closure detection. Eye closure detection is a detection which a person can detect, or the camera can detect how a person opens or closes eye. So the eye movement can be the eye opening and closing can be detection by eye closure. So eye closure detection uh, can be done by this two the like import CV2. We can this is the files which you need to import. That is import CV2. CV2 is a command we are using for the open CV. So the open CV we are using CV2, which is a open CV. So we are using the Python dot pip install open CB. So that is a command we use to install the CB2, and the media pip file also the same pip install media pip file is also a library, and NumPy also provides an array of objects and some homogeneous items, and also the mathematical operations over the arrays. And import time is a that response I think that taken for the eye closing and opening can be detected from the time. So this is a class we define as calculate the year. Calculate the year landmarks and landmarks of left, top, left, right, and bottom right of the year, and year threshold. We are using how many seconds year threshold and close duration of the threshold also, and MP face mesh, the face mesh and face mesh MP face mesh. Uh, the face mesh maximum the faces is one. And MP drawing, MP solution drawing utils, and left eye we are indicated by the this parameters, and right eye and cap CV2. This is for the webcam. We are using this CV2 had a video capture. That is for the capture. We are using this command cap. Eye closure start is equal to none. While capture is in open, red file cap red. It's not red. Break. Frame RGB CV2 color CV2 color RGB results face mesh process and face RGB HW frame shape result face left eye NP array in markings left eye and right eye, and eye left ear capture right ear AVG ear is like calculating left eye and right eye, and we are averaging like left ear plus right ear divided by 2.0. 2.0 is the threshold. 2.0. And CV2 put text frame average year, like we're giving this front Hershey simplex, and check if the eyes are closed. Average year is should be less than the year threshold. If eyes closed start is none, then start time. Else close duration time minus eye duration. If close duration threshold, CV put text frame fetid detection as eye closed. 30,70 CV2 front Hershey simplex 1 00255 and 3 else eye closed start none. CV am show fetid detection eye closed. Fetid detection minus eye closed frame, and CV2 key, and we are getting assigning this like a bit value. and equal to 27. Break. Cap release CV2 destroy all windows. So we are using like these three dots. We are using we have an option of we have an option of command prompt. So command prompt we are using a CMD command. With three dots we have an option at the top of command prompt in which this is the saved place where I saved this file. Like the folder I saved in the download part, so it's showing like this. And Python, you put this command Python iCloser detection dot py. That is a file. So it will just generate, just run that file, and then you can see the output like this. Like it will detect the year, eye closure, and everything, and it will indicate the value over here. This is the time of the opening and closing of ear and eyes also it can detect. So let me minimize it. And next is the face mesh. That is a face detection, and like it will detect the face and the shape using a mesh, and also figure out the like it's a scanning process which can actually scan the face. So here we are using the import cv2 same file command, and media pipe file media pipe as mp. So face mesh solution we are giving like this, and face mesh maximum number of faces is equal to 1. Cap cv2 video capture 0. Cap is open success frame captured. If not, break. Frame RGB cv2 color cv2 RGB color, and result face mesh process frame RGB. Result multi-phase landmarks. Phase landmarks is a multi-phase landmark, and LM, this code is very simple. LM is phase landmark. Like H and W is a phase frame shape, and X and Y int LM X int LM Y H CV2 circle XY 1 0 2 double 5 minus 1 CV2 show failure detection phase frame, and CV2 waiting, and this is the bit value 27 we are assigning. Break. Cap release CV2 destroy all the windows. So here where you can do one thing like go to clear terminal, and then go to the command, just type python and the file name face mesh test.py. Just enter. Yeah, as you can see, my face can be detected like this, and it is meshing like the dots and figuring out how, and completely it is meshing with the nose and the entire face like this. Once I'll view it properly, this is how it will mesh. So it's also working fine, no issues. And talking about the next part, next is the fatigue detector combined pipe. So let's remove it. You can also option of split terminal. So it's combined like PowerShell. So in three dot, we have option of command prompt. This is the command prompt you can use CMD. So here here we have import CV2, import media pip file as MP, import numpy. The same libraries we used here to import and import time. Like the first one, you can see the time is there. And from collections, import TQ, import math. That is math to flag. Year threshold is like we can assign a value like 0.25. Year closed duration threshold is equal to 2.0. Yawn threshold is equal to 30 and yawn time frame 60 and maximum yawn is equal to 3. Head tilt angle threshold is equal to 35. Left eye we can give 33, 160, 158, 139, 133, 153, 144. Right eye 362, 385, 387, 363. No, not 263, 373, 300. And left eye corner 33, right eye corner 263, chin 152. So these are the parameters or attributes in the setting. And face mesh, again MP, face mesh, MP solutions, face mesh, and face mesh, MP face mesh maximum, face is equal to 1, cap, CV2 video capture, 0, eye closed, slash start equal to none, yawn times DQ. This is the calculate year landmarks A, NP line, and norm, year landmarks minus I landmark and NP line, year landmark is 2 and C equal to NP line, the form norm, I landmark 0 and I landmark 3, return A plus B divided by 2.0 into C. So define calculate the angle ABC equal to NP array, that is a numpy array, and P2 NP array, P3, and BA equal to A minus B, BC equal to C minus B, cosine angle NP dot BA comma BC, NP line norm into NP line LG norm BC. This is for the linear algebra functions we are using this. NP as you said numpy, it's the same for that array and algebra we are using it. Angle we are giving as NP AR AR cos, that is angle cross arc, not angle, arc cross cos. Cos is a function, trigonometric function. NP clip cosine angle minus 1 minus 1.0 and 1.0. So return NP degree angle while cap is open. Let's wave cap read. If not rut break. HW frame shape, frame RGB, CVT color, frame CVT color, BGR2 RGB, result face mesh process frame RGB, current time. If multiple faces landmarks, then left eye NPRA int we are saying landmark landmark I x that is variable into W and face landmark y into h for I in left eye, right eye NPRA face landmark x into W, face landmark y into h for I in right eye, left ear left ear we can calculate the ear left eye, right ear calculate ear right eye, average ear left ear plus right ear divided by 2.0 CV2 put text frame f slash ear average year 2f and 20 CV2 front Hershey simplex 0.7 0 into 2 55 comma 2 if average year I closed is here I closed at if current time we are giving as I closed duration threshold CV2 put text alert I closed too long and this is the yawning detection bottom lip face landmass mouth gap everything I will CV2 put text that is OpenCV we are assigning. If mouth gap yawn threshold, if yawn times or we are using current time minus yawn time happened that is we are adding to the current time is the command CV2 put text frame and CV2 front simplex then yawn time then face landmarks right left RE face landmarks LX LY RX and int ty rx minus ly tilt angle np degree np giving like this and cv2 frame and these are the values we are assigning and cap release destroy all windows. So for running this file we can do the same command here python see it will get ear mouth gap yawn count like this yawning you can easily like off and on mouth gap mouth gap can be identified by this and eye tilt like if I close the eye this eye line tilt and yawning count see it's alerting head not detect head tilt not detect Head tilt detected. See, alert head tilt detected. Like I am tilting my head, it will alert. So I should be straight and focused. So this is how it works properly fine. It's like in my camera, like laptop, only one camera can be turned on. So if I run the multiple programs, it has an issue like it not support like multiple running because only one camera is supporting one run time. So if I run the another program and the camera will not turn on because already the camera assigned a run. So once that is finished, then only the camera will work for the other program. So multiple it cannot work. So this is the import CV2, import media bib file. Same library is importing here for the head tilt and MP face mesh solutions, face mesh, faces one, cap equal to CV2 video capture, left eye corner, right eye, chin, define calculate angle, A equal to NP array P1, P equal to NP array P2, C equal to NP array P3, PA equal to A minus B, BC equal to C minus B, cosine angle, we are giving angle NP, cosine we are doing and return NP degree, while cap is open, then the frame and HW we're giving like frame RGB, CV2 color, result face mesh, if result multiple face landmarks. This is how we can do left eye cursor, right eye, and face landmark here, and P1, P2, P3, CV2, ankle CV2, CV2 I'm show. The same, that is nothing different, the same only. This is to show the file. Again here, we are going to command prompt, CMD, and then it will also work in normal PowerShell, not required for this command prompt. Just I am explaining with the command prompt. It's not mandatory. Python head. Oh yeah, I typed wrongly. Python head. Some mistake is there. Now it will run. Now it is fine. See, head tilt angle. Like I'm tilting like this, it will show the angle and head tilt detected. That is fectic alert. So like this, it will run. So it's also running fine. And then this is yawn detection. The same import CV2, import media file, has MP, import numpy, has NP, import time from collections, DQ, MP face mesh, MP solution face mesh equal to MP face mesh, then dot face mesh, maximum number of faces, gap equal to CV2 video capture 0, and yawn threshold, equal to 30, and yawn time frame 60, maximum yawns 3, yawn times dq while cap is open, and success frame equal to cap read, if not then break. And h comma w frame rate, frame rgb cv2 cv2 cvt color, frame cv2 color, bgr2 vdr2 rgb, result face mesh process frame rgb, mouth gap equal to 0, then result face landmarks, result face landmarks, top line face landmarks, landmark 13, bottom lip face landmark 14, top y int, top lip y h, bottom y int, bottom lip y into h, mouth gap abs, bottom slash y, top slash y. If mouth gap yawn current time append current time, yawn time is minus current time same. CB2 text frame mouth gap same, we are assigning that simplex, and the value is 255 02. Then yawn time is maximum yawn frequently detected, frequency yawning detected, that t comma 70, CV2 RC simplex, and CV2 am show yawn detected the frame, CV2 wait key equal to 27 break cap release, CV2 destroy all windows. So over here we are giving the command. It's also run in PowerShell. I'll just show you in PowerShell. This is PowerShell. So just same command Python. Not only in command prompt, it will run here also. I just did this because two times, like I split into two parts. It's not needed for that. That is why. Yawn detection sender. Sometimes if a spelling is wrong, it will show there is no file not found like that. And see, mouth gap and frequency yawning detected, like movement of the mouth and the gap. So this is working fine, no issues. And the frequent yawning detected, it will alert like this in the red. So this is the project on the factic detection. And thank you all.